Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Got 1 day's worth of growth. Had to do another shave yesterday. Today's shave soap is Nivea by Men. Thumbnail, or should I do the thumbnail that way? Anyway, this, I purchased this on Amazon back in 2020. And at the time I bought a 3-pack and it came out to around $4 a tube. And I really feel like it's an excellent shaving cream for what you get. And I have that already whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl and this fantastic Trotters handcraft brush. Figured I'd go all blue today. And the scent on this is like a nice, kind of crisp, sporty, clean scent. If you guys have had the chance to smell this, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. And I'm going to be using the Nivea Splash. This has a little bit different scent to it, but they pair well with each other. I'm using the Gamechanger 0.84 solid bar with the Gillette 7 o'clock yellow blade in it. Got a bowl full of warm water. I'm going to warm it up here and get going with pass number 1 with the grain. And originally, when I used this blade out of the 100-pack, I kind of thought it was so-so. And now I'm down to probably about 4 or 5 tucks. And I don't know if I've just learned to like it or my skin is adjusted to it, but I'm starting to really like the blade. And it just may be, you know, one of those things where I've adjusted to it. I don't know. Or maybe I had several bad ones. I don't know. It's kind of a odd thing because I was thinking I'm just going to start burning these blades up and going through and using them and getting them out of the way. And now that I'm towards the end, I'm kind of like, should I purchase some of these? But I know these blades were made in Russia, or if I recall correctly, I think they were. And I don't know that they are anymore. And so if I decided to get more, it may not be what I had, if that makes sense. Let's take a look at the lather here. You know, I mean, there's not a whole lot of residual slickness, but it does lather up well and it feels nice during the shave. And it has a pleasant scent. For $4, I think you can easily get a month or two's shaves out of it, maybe more. I used around 1/4 teaspoon and 9 milliliters of water. And those ratios are something you will have to adjust if you have some, or get some. If you have the Nivea shaving cream, comment below and let me know, how do you like it? Sure beats the pants off of some of the other pricing. And I feel like if you did have a favorite splash that maybe had a different scent than this, the scent for the soap doesn't stick around very long. So you could definitely pair it with a lot of other things. Every time I say pair it, I think of the bird. Polly wants a cracker. Anyway, Yeah, I think you could use a lot of different splashes with this and it would probably be just fine. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water. I'll be right back. No complaints from the razor or soap. Here's the splash. Now, originally, whenever I purchased this, I was searching for that splash that was the two-tone, and it was like blue on the bottom and clear on top, and I can't remember what it was. I think that was something that was overseas related, and you just couldn't get it over here. And if you could get it, it was one of those things that the price was, you were getting gouged on the price. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, I'm going to follow that up with a little bit of Star Jelly. And the nice thing about that splash is it's really nice and silky. There's no burn to it. All right, well, I'll put a picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.